Good morning, student. Today I am going to start the lesson of grammar agreement of subject and verb. Here you have to use singular verb with a singular subject and plural verb with a plural subject. Means subject should agree with the subject according to the person as well as gender as well as number. So here the definition is given in the column. You can see, for a sentence to be grammatically correct, the main verb should agree with the subject in person and number. When the subject is singular, the verb should be singular. When the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. The verb also takes a different forms depending on whether the noun is in first, second or third person. This is called the agreement of the subject and verb. So this definition is given that you have to not write in your notebook. Here some examples are given. Wali likes to build robots as a hobby. You can see Wali is a singular subject, and with singular, when you this sentence is related to present indefinite tense, and you know if the subject is singular, then you should use s or es with the main verb. So here like is the verb, here s is added with that. Swati and Sarup, you can see Swati and Sarup is added with and, means there are two subjects, and means there are two subjects and it is known as the plural one. So here you will use are, not is. Are writers. I speak Telugu but Ajit speaks Kannada. So you can see Kannada. Here I speak Telugu. Here I also with I is the first person. So here I with I you will use you will not use s or es in present indefinite. So you can see speak. I speak Telugu but Ajit is a singular subject, and here you will use s with speak. Here rules are given. These rules you have to note down. You have to note down in your notebook also. So see here the rules. What are the rules? Rules of the subject verb agreement. Two or more subject joined by and take a plural verb. If there are two subjects, you have to remember that if there are two subjects and they are joined with an, at that condition you have to use the plural verb. Here Sunil, Renu, Medha and I. Here are four members. You can say Sunil, Renu, Medha and I. There are four subjects. So you can see if there are four subjects, then also you will use plural verb are. Are is a plural verb. So here are will be used, are good friends. Bread, butter, jam and jam. Here three subjects are used. So here also you will use are as a verb. Okay, are common breakfast items. In some sentence the subject and the verb may be separately by several other words. In such cases identify the subject and verb correctly. Here one thing you have to remember, if any subject is given, you can say compound subject. If any subject is given and in that subject the preposition is used, so before preposition, you can see before preposition, if the word is singular, then you will use singular noun, and if the word is plural, in that case you will use plural noun. Here the noise of the chirping crickets, you can see of is a preposition and before of noise is given. So noise, if there will be noise, if there was noises, then you can use verb, but here noise is given, noise is singular. Before the preposition you have to see if the word is singular, then you will use singular verb, and if the verb is plural, then the subject is plural, in that case you will use plural verb. So noise is singular, so the noise of the chirping cricket was a constant feature in the forest. Next, collective noun. Collective noun or nouns when thought of as a single unit take a singular verb collective nouns may be followed of nouns or be single word. You can see if there is a collective noun, in that case you can use a singular verb and it denotes for a single unit. यदि collective noun यूज़ है और वो denote कर रहा है single unit के लिए, तो आप वहाँ पर singular verb ही यूज़ करेंगे. As for example, here is given a team of expert lawyer is investigating the case. A pile of cloth is waiting to be washed. Here you can see a team of expert lawyers. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो जो टीम है एक्सपर्ट लायर की, तो टीम यहाँ पर टीम कलेक्टिव नाउन है. आप टीम को देखेंगे बिफोर प्रोपोजिशन द वर्ड इज गिवन दैट इज टीम एंड इट इज़ ए कलेक्टिव नाउन एंड यू विल यूज as a collective noun and you will use here singular verb. Here pile of clothes, pile is a collective noun and you will use here singular verb is. And the committee has agreed. You can see here committee is a collective noun and it has been used as a unit, as a single unit, and you can use as a collective noun, and here you will use a singular verb. So you have to remember that these are the rules that you have to write in the notebook also. And from the next rule, the rule number 4 is given. I will continue in the next class. Till then, goodbye, take care all of you.